Bobby?
Baby saan?
Bathing suan?
Di man baby saan?
Di man bathing suan?
Nani bathing suan?
Warna baby saan?
Una bathing suan.
Nani baby saan?
Nani bathing suan.
Taka sa Manoa.
What?
Taka sa Manoa.
Go swimming in the water. We dropped Tessie off, and Patrick has a really bad cold, fever, laryngitis, croupy cough thing going on. He's going to the doctor today because he couldn't breathe this morning. I hope he doesn't have asthma like his dad. And so he's home, but we had to stop and pick up a couple things at the store, so we're doing that right now. James.
Lovely.
Lovely?
Yeah, the yellow ones. I love both. Awesome.
Whoa.
I does, Mama.
I thought you had one just like that.
He did, Mama. He did.
What's Romeo's lab there?
Wait, what?
Romeo's lab?
Yep. Yeah, I know. I have to get that thingy for my birthday tomorrow. Can I?
Your birthday's in October.
Yeah. And that's the one the Paw Patrol one.
Yeah. You guys want everything, huh? Where's Patrick? We lost you, Patrick. That medicine is definitely kicked in. Come on, buddy. Let's go. We just had a couple things to pick up before we got home. We are back from the store and I'm going to do some major cleaning while the boys are watching TV. It's going to keep them quiet and they're resting and they both need rest. I'm really hoping that James isn't going to get sick. He has orientation tomorrow night. And I just got a call that there is a full day spot for James in the full day classroom, which will mean me not having to drop him off at 12 and him going from 12 to 3 each day, which is like amazing. So that's going to be really good for us because it was going to be kind of crazy having to come back from dropping Tessie off at 8 and get James to school at 12 each day, so he's gonna be able to take the bus with his brother and sister in the morning. So that is really good news for us. So that's happy. Now I'm gonna try to take when I tried to run the video camera cord behind our giant Last Supper picture, I knocked it down off the wall. I caught it. It didn't fall all the way down or anything, but I'm gonna try to re-put it up on the wall. A little bit to the right. Shoot, it is a little bit to the right. It's frustrating. So, fun fact. I love picture frames, and growing up, I wanted. One of my grandmothers had walls in their staircases going down to their basement, or staircases going down to their downstairs and up to their upstairs. And one of my dad's mom had the staircase going down to our basement that were just completely covered with pictures on either sides of the walls. And I don't know, I just love the idea. I love going down and seeing like all these pictures that were old and that like were of my aunts and uncles and parents growing up that were completely covered in pictures. And so I always wanted that. And I wanted that when I someday had my own house. And so when we finally had our own house, I did that in our house. And so it's a constant battle for me against Maggie because Maggie loves pictures too. And here, oops, sorry. So here is like the pictures. Paul says it's an old lady thing. Like, whatever, I love it. And here's the going down to the basement. I just have, like, you know, pictures of the kids, pictures, there's the girls when they're little, pictures of Sadie and Bopa, Maggie and Sadie, Patch meeting Tessie, like just tons of memories. There's like one of the silly historical pictures, just all sorts. That's Patch, that's me and the girls when I'm pregnant with Patrick. That's Maggie. Just tons of pictures. But you can see there's also blank spots. Okay, so all the blank spots here. Any place you see a blank spot or like a chipped frame like that, Maggie. And actually I replaced a whole bunch. Sorry for the sound. Oh my gosh, it's driving me crazy. Oh, here's another one, another blank spot. And that's after yesterday where I got 6 frames and replaced a whole bunch of pictures because Maggie loves pictures almost as maybe Maggie loves pictures more than I do. And she went along yesterday, oh well, not yesterday, she all summer was removing picture frames, shattering picture frames, tearing apart picture frames to get the pictures off so that she could take the pictures to her room and love them until they're completely destroyed. And she loves pictures, but like she just destroys. I mean, she shreds paper. She loves to shred paper into little tiny pictures, but she loves the pictures. With the pictures, it's not so much shredding, although eventually once they get loved enough, she shreds everything eventually. So, but I'm not losing this battle. And I mean, I like got her a picture frame, or not a picture frame. I got her like a picture album. I filled them with her own pictures. I've definitely been trying to like fill her need for pictures and fill her need with like to have her own pictures while at the same time having my pictures on the wall. I am trying to like fulfill the sensory need of her, and also like giving her paper so that she can shred her paper, giving her pictures. Please just let me have my like pictures on the wall. We'll see. So I keep replacing them and buying like $1 frames, $2 frames at Walmart, putting my frames back on the wall. And then they get, here, you can see right here, like, here's one. Sometimes I just give up and just like put them back up. You can see this one's like all totally loved. Or like these ones, you come up here. The glass is gone. The glass is gone on those. I'm not giving up. So anyways, yeah, I'm putting pictures up right now while she's at school of the ones that she's peeled down.
Are you the doctor? Are you a kid? Patrick, are you cute?
Yeah.
You feeling better?
I want the bed.
I'm glad. Your breathing sounds a lot better.
I'm trying to see Patrick on his iPad.
Is there room for your brother up there next to you, Patrick?
I'm playing to nap. That's why I'm putting on the song. Why won't these things light up yet?
Let me see.
It's going. What is it? That's just a sound.
Seems like you're doing better.
So, we got back from Patrick's trip to the doctor's appointment, and apparently the reason for his cough this morning was, well, exactly what it sounded like. His scary cough was croup, and then he also has adenoviral pharyngoconjunctivitis. So, it looks like he's going to miss the entire second week of school, according to his doctor. He should be better around Friday. So yeah. That's what's going on here. I'm like, did you just say conjunctivitis? And he was like, yeah, but it's part of the other part. And I go, but he has pink eye. And he's like, yeah, but very mild and viral. I was like, he goes, I would have your kids wash their hands a lot. I was like, we literally got pink eye like 10 times last year. I had never had pink eye in my entire life before last year, and it just like went around and around and around and around our house, and we washed hands so much and used so much sanitizer and so much bleach and wipes and everything you could think of, and it was just a nightmare. Awfully cute. I'm trying to vlog dinner at bedtime, but my camera battery is really close to going dead, so I don't know how much longer I have left. So we'll see how much more I get. Bobby? Bathing suit on? Dima bathing suit on? Nani bathing suit on? Ona bathing suit on? Nani bathing suit on? What? Go swimming in the water. Malicia? Gilcia? Gilcia? Onacia? Gobisi? Dimasi? Onasi? Nanisi? Ready, set? There you go! Somebody fell asleep right after school in the car and is still asleep right now. Shh.